Excellencies, Songta, Minister, IDC, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. I have been given the subject of connectivity with people, and this is very dear to my heart. It resonates with my emotions, and I have a very shining example to illustrate this subject with my own example, that no matter which government is in Pakistan or goes out, the relation between China and Pakistan, ever since our history, have always remained strong, trustworthy, and very friendly. Because the connection is between the two peoples. It's between people of Pakistan and people of China. And the leadership of China, regardless who is in the seat of power to serve the people or not, have always connected with the people, showing concern with the challenges and problems of the people of Pakistan. And therefore, China-Pakistan's friendship is not only everlasting, but ever soaring. This is how I explain this connectivity with the two people and people to people. Ladies and gentlemen, the vision of President Xi Jinping, one belt, one road, is very brave, is very futuristic, and this vision has replaced confrontation with consultation. It's a vision to promote cooperation and friendly competition. A game changer. And this is not for the elite class of Pakistan. This is for the people of Pakistan, to empower them, to eliminate poverty and unemployment, and Pakistan an opportunity to stand with a sense of amongst the common of nations. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, I can explain this vision and build on this theme. I can say again at the end that this $50 billion project of CPAC under OBOR is probably the largest gift China has given to any country in the world. And the people of Pakistan would always remain grateful to President Xi Jinping and Chinese leadership and the people of China. And I can only say in return that probably we can never return your generosity, but we will ensure that every penny will be spent with the utmost transparency, with undying efforts, and we will achieve our targets way ahead of time. And I think this is what, in the end, I would like to conclude, that it is about those societies and regions which are lagging behind developing countries. South and North, the yawning gap has to be bridged through OBOR. I believe this is possible, and I think it is a game changer and a new order. Thank you very much.